Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi 15 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, the device is locked. Try again in 28 seconds because the pin was incorrect. Okay, to do hard reset, press the volume up and power button together. Now press the volume up and power button together, and now slide upward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully powered off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together until the MI logo appears, and when the MI logo appears, release it. And you can see it will send you in main menu Xiaomi Hyper OS recovery. Here reboot, wipe data, connect with MI assistant is available. Use volume key to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now here go to wipe data. You can see wipe data, go to wipe data and confirm. And you can see back to main menu and wipe all data. Go to wipe all data and confirm. And you can see on top confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Now go to confirm and confirm it, and as you can see it is wiping data. Kindly wait, it might take some time. So here you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu and reboot system and reboot to system. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Redmi 15 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.